Are you tired of virtual events that fail to deliver results? Well, you're in the right place. In recent years, virtual events have become increasingly popular, with more organizations embracing digital-first experiences. However, ensuring that your virtual event delivers a solid return on investment requires a strategic approach. Let's explore 5 ways data can help you make the most of your virtual event. Personalization. By collecting data on attendees' preferences and behavior, you can create a more engaging experience that resonates with your audience. Personalizing your event offerings can lead to higher levels of satisfaction and retention amongst attendees. Improved targeting. Data can help you identify and segment your target audience for virtual events, allowing you to optimize your marketing and outreach efforts. This can result in higher attendance rates and increased engagement with your virtual event content. Data can be used to measure and track key metrics such as attendance rates, engagement levels, and conversion rates. This information can help you make data-driven decisions about future virtual events, resulting in improved performance and a higher return on investment. Improved lead generation. Virtual events can be a valuable source of leads and potential customers. By tracking attendee behavior and interactions, you can better understand which attendees are most interested in your offerings, allowing you to prioritize follow-up efforts accordingly. Optimized virtual event platforms. Data can be used to optimize the technical aspect of virtual events, such as platform performance and user experience. By analyzing data on attendee behavior, you can make improvements that enhance the overall virtual event experience, leading to a better return on investment. Leveraging data in your virtual event strategy can help you create a more personalized and engaging experience that drives higher ROI. Make your next virtual event a success and you'll be the talk of the town. Thanks for watching, and remember, data is your friend.